Version 73 of Descript is here. We have a couple new changes, some improvements, and some tweaks as usual. So the first new feature is a plus button to easily add layers. So if I select some words on the timeline, like so, on the transcript, then we got our normal pop-up here for our options, replace, correct, etc. But we also now have this add layer button. So if I click it, I can easily insert project files, videos. It goes into my stock videos, so it saves me from going into the media bin each time and adding it like that. So this is super nice new UI feature that saves us from having to create a new scene for every time we want to add a video, and it really just makes life a lot easier. The second update is that we have a new layer panel. So when you hit the plus button right here, you get that same view that we just had from the other option. So this is just another way to see it, and it just makes things so there's less clicking to find all of your different ways of inserting shapes, text, audio, images, and so on. The third update is a change to how the word gap feature works. So let me just adjust my timeline so I can see my words here. Before, when I clicked and dragged words to the right, it would just create a word gap that was blank. There was no sound, and it was just a black screen. It would just show black on your screen. Let me just delete that layer. Now what it does is this word gap, you can see, is not blank. There's still no audio there. I'm not speaking, but what it does is it takes the last frame of the previous clip, which is this one here that I have selected in blue, and it uses that last frame and makes a freeze frame out of it. So now it's just a freeze frame, and I can adjust this. I can make it longer. I can make it shorter. But that's a nice little feature. And the last update they made has to do with docking preferences. So when you open something that creates a new dock, for example, the media bin, it creates this new window here. You can resize it. So you can make it smaller. You can make it shorter, longer, whatever you want. That's not new. But what is new is when you close this, that setting would go away. Now, when I reopen it, boom, it's still at my last settings. So just a little quality of life updates. This is version 73, like I said, and this software just gets better every week. I know it can be frustrating to keep up with the changes, but all these little iterations add up to a better and more powerful and easy to use tool. But that's why I created this business, to keep you abreast of these changes and teach you how to use everything most efficiently. If you found this video useful, hit the like button. Bye.